Hi, welcome to day 20 of Vlogmas.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely.
This is a little bit better. But basically, motivation struck me last night when I got to bed and I decided not to go to shoot my photos up in London, and I kind of figured out some ways to do it at home, and that's what I've been doing this morning. So I spent the morning doing that. Now I am gonna finish uploading my video. I need to do the thumbnail and the description and everything, and then I'm going to start getting ready, and then that'll probably be time for me to head out to go to I-10s. I completely forgot to wrap my Secret Santa gifts, so I'm going to do that really quickly now. Can't believe I forgot them. Oh my god. 7 minutes till 1 and I was supposed to be at I-10s at 1. Doesn't matter. I'm quickly going to start wrapping up the presents. Basically, I got 4 of these gin glasses from what's it called, Matalan. They were £2 each. They are so good. So for £2 I thought that's an absolute bargain. And then inside each of them I have got like a different flavoured gin. So I've got gin elderflower, raspberry, rosemary, plain gin, blue gin. So I thought that is a cute little gift. Okay, I have no idea how to wrap these up. No idea. This wrapping is so bad. So guys, just finished wrapping my present. This is the expectation of wrapping presents. How beautiful. And that's the reality. Wow. Expectation, reality. I don't know how to wrap up glasses. It's hard. Anyway, I need to get this all into a bag and make my way to items. So embarrassing. Guys, I feel so frazzled. I don't even know why. Honestly, what is going on? I've had to actually seatbelt everything because I don't want anything to break. Hi Alice! Are we gonna play? What's this? Oh! Look at her in her little Christmas outfit. So cute. No, we don't eat this. We play with this. We go sleepy. Sleepy. You're so cute, Daisy. Come to Sainsbury's. Whoop, whoop. Look at this little madam with her hat. It's killing me, honestly. Man, there's reindeers. Reindeer. He's not impressed. Whoa! So we're debating about Brussels sprouts. I-10 doesn't like them. I love a good Brussels sprout. Because Ellie's like a Brussels sprout.
I don't think she's tried. No, you haven't tried the Brussels sprout yet.
Is this gonna be your first Christmas dinner? Yeah. Which one do you want, Ellie? Baby food.
Oh, that's the messiest one on them.
Tomato.
Daisy loves tomato.
I think she's grabbing a pack. Look at her.
You want this one?
She knows what she likes.
Okay.
Guys, we're gonna pay for it, don't worry.
Yeah, we are paying for it.
She's just dropped hers already and she's been moaning. Yes, madam. Shopping went good. And now we're going to start cooking and decorating the table. I'm so excited. Thank you to I-10 for hosting, because, you know, anything for you, babe. Thank you. We've got potato. We've got her a jumper. We've got some roasted mixing herbs. That noise is Ella's and her auntie playing. Parsnip. And of course, Brussels sprouts. We've got clean hands to cook the beef. Shall I put the oven on?
Yes.
Is it empty?
No, I'm
Turkish ovens are never empty. Literally. That's why I was like, I'll ask first.
So, clean hands.
We're going all out. We're going with the Jamie Oliver. Oh yeah, I've got a Christmas jumper on. It's my only Christmas jumper I've got. Google sent it to me like DM'd her. So thanks, it's gonna be lit.
This is my sharpie, so I don't really want to give it to you just in case you're cutting your hand. So let me
that one's got a little...
yeah, let me do the cutting.
Yes, mummy.
TK Maxx, guys. See how sharp that is to cut your finger, Teral.
But I'm getting anxiety while you're cutting it. I don't know, there's something, it looks weird. Maybe your hand's too small for mine.
Maybe.
Done. Beef looks good.
It looks juicy. Ready.
We've only got white pepper.
Okay, that would do.
That'll do.
Mix herbs, it
Mix
says.
the herbs on it.
And Ocean's still singing. And then we just got fresh herbs.
Massage it all in, and then we'll put the herbs all around it. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Doing a salt bay. That's why. Oops.
Salt Bae my heart out.
Stuff it like a turkey's ass.
Yeah.
Boil and cover it. It looks so good, guys. It really does. That looks good, man. I'm impressed with us. So potatoes,
We're going to peel them.
peel them, boil them for a little bit, parboil, and then stick them in the oven. We've also got some crispy roast potato seasoning, which just makes it so good. You can't have roast potatoes that are not crispy.
Yeah.
Now's the fun bit. We're gonna decorate the table. Potatoes. Oh, that's a lot of butter.
Listen, didn't you say you like butter?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you're just gonna shake it all about in there.
Yes. Where's my olive oil?
Olive oil's up there, my dear.
Some more calories.
It's the only way. It is Christmas, guys.
It is Christmas.
This is like English Turkish style. And then shake them potatoes. This gives them a really nice crispy edge, which is like, I think we did it a bit too long.
Yeah, just a little bit. But it should be fine. I'll save it.
They're going to be so nice and crispy, guys.
I'm going to save it, guys.
So we decided to leave this for mash. I mean, it was a choice, right?
Yeah. That was the whole plan.
Now we're going to sprinkle extra crispy potatoes. That looks good. Ah, yum, yum, yum. Did you take the beef out? We're going to look at the beef. Oh, that looks good. Our table is set. It looks so good. Very romantic, and the ambience is great. Oh, I love it. So we've got little white and silver crackers, little name tags that I done last night for everyone. I love it. Yeah. Yay. So we've decided that because we don't work normal jobs, this is our work do.
It is. And it's Abida's third work do.
Third work do. So here's to working. Woo! This is Teral. Woo! I think it's almost ready. We've literally washed all our dishes as well. We're so organised. Everything's just in the oven, just staying warm. Look, we've got the Yorkshires on, we've got veg, beef and turkey, mash, stuffing. I can't wait. We're just waiting for Abidat now. She's literally outside, and then we're gonna sit down and eat. Yes.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Oh, the food is all ready, and we've got this little madam eating as well.
Yeah, isn't that amazing?
We slaved all day up there. What do you have to say?
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and
Oh, thanks, babe. Always wanted them. Why did the golfer wear 2 pairs of trousers?
Oh, I don't know.
In case he got a hole in one.
Such bad jokes. They're like proper dad jokes.
Yeah.
Dinner was finished. How was it?
That was really good.
Did you like it?
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Brussels sprouts were really good.
Yeah, they liked my
Loved
little
it.
secret recipe that's not so secret. Just add butter and lots of it. Makes it taste so good.
Garlic.
And garlic and some seasoning.
It was very good.
Delicious.
Bellissima.
So we're just going to make Abida clean up now because she's literally done nothing. Actually, she did bring the dessert and the wine.
I've been working the whole day.
And?
What do you mean?
So does everyone else.
No.
We made Abida get us a Yule log cake because she was like, it's not really Christmassy.
School
But
dinners!
It is Christmassy. One of the best Christmas desserts.
Bye, fishes.
Bye.
Red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Shiny nose! Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you ride my sleigh tonight?
1 pound fish. 2 for 1 pound, 1 pound fish. 5 for 6 pound. Oh shit! Is that my wine?
And your glass.
That's I'm just opening a present.
Guys, we've got the Secret Santa here. We're going to sit down and all grab one. Obviously not our own one. Abida, I'm looking at you. You go first.
Am I opening it?
Should we all open?
At the same time?
Yeah?
Go on, open.
Ready?
Yeah. Did I turn wrap this? Made all this.
Oh, I know what this is. I can smell it already.
I needed a set! Tell us just open. What other day you said I can't spend £10
Oh, Buttercup! I'm going to be having a bath.
I'm going to be getting drunk.
So good.
Oh, these are literally gin. I love this. Well done, I-10. I need a mug for work.
Oh, that is.
I would have said to me, you might spend £10.
Price
Oh shit, because I had to buy £1.
What's this soap?
What is this?
Oh,
needed a makeup
honey,
bag.
I washed the kids' soap. Ooh, and a Buttercup bath bomb.
I mean, called me yesterday, she goes, where are you going? I said, I'm going B&M. I said, I buy Secret Santa. She goes, what are you going to buy from B&M for Secret Santa? Sephora.
What a hater, man. What a
Such a
hater.
hater.
That is cute.
So look what I bought. I said something that will go for both of your room.
Yeah.
Cold. And then I've got a Lima. Look, I had £1 to spare. £2 to spare, sorry. So I bought a foot pack because I thought, whatever in it.
What is this?
And a £1 mug.
A little tray, innit?
Oh no, I need that tray. Leave it back on the side. No, the tray was for just the neck. Oh my god.
Cheers, babe! Thank you!
I got that for
Makeup
free.
bag.
Thank you. I needed
Do you like the glasses?
Do you like it,
I love
T?
them. These are perfect.
And they all got a different flavour gin.
Oh, I just saw 2. I love the pink.
How did you manage that? Just under £10.
Basically, you want the truth? Yeah. This all came to 8 and I had these at home.
Listen, I got more than £10.
But technically I didn't spend more than £10. Secret Santa's done! And then I made you guys something.
Oh, we got more!
Yeah.
As a thank you for being a good friend.
Oh, this is cute!
I love you. Woo! More makeup! Oh, you know what else she said to me? Don't you buy £1 makeup.
Becca! Yes!
I even checked. They didn't have £1 makeup. Woo! What's this? For my hands.
Nice. This is very nice. I like this.
Wicked. That's really good for my hands. Uh-oh. Eyeshadow palette. I can't do eyeshadow. I mean, I have to learn. Really nice. I'm gonna look at these
I
colours.
gave you the dark colours and you the light ones.
This
What's
is really good.
this?
Over there, you know she doesn't know.
I like
You know she doesn't know about makeup. She's like, what is this? I was like, I'll give her the basic stuff.
Yes,
I
thank
know
you.
she doesn't know. And I gave Abida more, like,
There, look at her.
yeah, like
Wicked.
skincare and shit.
This is good.
Good.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Very nice. Thank you. I love it. She gave me a starter pack on eyeshadow.
Anyway, we're gonna go and have some cake now.
Ma.
I
Give it a
did
shimmer.
do a lot of makeup, but look at her.
I'm gonna ace this and then watch when I become a blogger. Teral.
Oh,
Make me
competition.
run for your money.
Right.
Everyone help yourself with profiterole.
Profiteroles. Mmm.
I've got twerking.
So we're gonna watch The Holiday now. None of us have actually seen it from beginning to end. We're gonna watch it now, and I'll see you after. Someone's been crying. I can't believe you cried. It's usually me who cries.
I cry at every movie.
I usually like films like that, but I didn't really enjoy that. I don't know why. Usually, like I said, I am the one to cry. So I don't know why I wasn't crying.
You're upset you didn't cry and I cried.
I think it was just really, really, really cheesy. Like, I like a little bit of cheese. Oh, I can't believe she cried. Hey guys, so I've just got home now and I went to open my advent calendar for day 20 to see what I got from the Glossy Box advent calendar. So we have got a lip gloss in the colour Eggplant from Steve Laurent. Steve Laurent. I've never heard of that brand actually, but the colour looks really nice, like a very deep red. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this Vlogmas today. It was really fun. I feel like it was so festive and I had so much fun with the girls and cooking and having Christmas dinner and for friends Christmas. It was so fun. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!
Whoa.